We teach 5 elements of performing arts. That is theatre, dance, spoken words, music, as well as magic. And we are the only school, sir, and only academy that has reached to 80 schools in Goa and done free workshops.
ग्रेट डान्स किंवा परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स शिकतकीर तांच्या एकूण व्यक्तिमत्वान भितर बदल जाता.
Down syndrome child who was part of our team.
Okay.
Young girl, 18-year-old Down syndrome who loves to dance. Sir. So when I
Exactly.
talk about focus of skills, sir, we are helping the children to build their confidence,
Yes.
their focus level, their communication and discipline.
Yes.
And with all the skills together, we build up values. So everyone, it's Sanjao on the 24th of June. So with sir and along with all of you, please leave your chairs and move and dance with us.
नमस्कार. 2 दिसां पयलीं सांजावचें एक पद आमी रिकॉर्ड करता आसतना पावस पडलो ना, पूण सांजावा म्हाका एक चली मेळ्ळें जे वेगळे वेगळे तरेचे डान्स परफॉर्मन्स शिकयता, स्वता डान्स करता आनी एक्टीव ह्या क्षेत्रांत. म्हाका दिसलें अरे वा, डान्स करप हें फक्त संगीत आनी फक्त तितल्याच पुरतें नासता. तातूंत भितर एक आनंद आसा, तातूंत भितर एक व्यायाम आसा, तातूंत भितर एक सूख आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसलें की ह्याच संदर्भान डान्स आनी आनंद खोस एक बरो इंटरव्यू जावंक शकता आनी ताजे खातीर हांवें एक अशी व्यक्ती वेंचून काडली जी ह्या क्षेत्रांत भितर बरें काम करता. हांव तुमची वळख करून दितां. सिसील रॉड्रिग्स. सिसिलाची वळख कितें करून दिवप? सिसील हाजे पयलीं राजकारणांत आशिल्लें, म्हणजे आसा अजुनूय. तें इलेक्शन तें लडलां, ते सामाजीक कार्यकर्ते, ते शेतकी कार्यकर्ते. हांवें त्या खुबदां शेताच्या भायर शेतां पुरयनाकात म्हणून आंदोलन करता आसतना सामकें वतान उबें रावन आंदोलन करता आसतना पळयलां. रस्ते रंगयतना म्हणजे स्पीड ब्रेकराचेर स्पीड ब्रेक घालतात पूण ते रंगोवपा जाय तें खबर नासता आनी ती चळवळ सुरू केल्ली. अशें एक चली जाची तुमकां वळख करून दिता आसतना एक वेगळी वळख आज करून दिता हांव. ती डान्स अकादेमी चलयता आनी डान्सान ती खूब नवे प्रयोग करता. सिसील, तुका आमच्या स्टुडियोन हांव येवकार दिता.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
सिसील, तुजें आमी वेगळी वेगळी रुपां पळयल्यात आनी तूं एककडेन उलयतना म्हळां की आपूण परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्सान आशिल्लें, आपूण डान्स करतालें, सो तातूंतल्यान आपूण घडलें. सो ही घडपाची जी पळय प्रक्रिया हो तुजो पळय जो प्रवास आसा तो आमच्या लोकांक तुवें सांगचो.
Actually, sir, I started dancing when I was 5 years old, sir. And स्कूलांनीच हांवें स्टार्ट केलेलें. And when I reached the 9th standard.
5 years old, your
5 years.
mother taught you, your father was interested.
My mom and dad loved dancing. So as we have our Catholic weddings, so
good.
I
That
started
is- yes.
dancing ballroom with my
So
father at a
music
very
and
young
dance
age.
was in your house.
Yes, sir. Right from the young age. So when I reached the 9th standard and reached 14 years, sir, I was instrumental in forming the first girls dance troupe in Goa, sir. And we started doing stage shows all over Goa. We got so known, sir, that we got an opportunity to represent Goa and on an international platform for Lusophonia, sir, twice. And with that, where everyone watching us and we got known from there, sir, got an opportunity to also do a Konkani movie. I acted in a Konkani movie, sir, did
Nice.
action also.
Wow.
And also did 2 Konkani theatre.
Wow.
And there I got an opportunity to sing because the producer wanted, said, Cecille, you always dance. Everyone knows you as a dancer. I want you to sing. And that's where I overcame my fear of singing on stage. So that 2 Konkani songs.
Good.
And I did that. So with that impact, I did the 2 social songs of mine, which you know, which have just introduced me with. And those went viral. So with that, all that is there, sir, my main awards, which I would say is when I went on the dance reality show, Dance India, Dance Supermom, in 2013, sir, my son was 2.5 years. I went to Mumbai just to show that do I have it in me, sir? Do I still have the performing art and represent Goa and show the Goans and the Indians who are watching on ZTV show that we Goans have performing
You
art in
became
us.
very famous because of that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I became the first runners-up, sir. From there, my whole opportunity to live in performing arts opened up. From there, I got another show on ZTV called Dance Ka Darshan, where it was children versus mums. And then on Z Rishte Award show, sir, I got an award for their big celebration, award celebration, favorite Guru Shishya.
Oh.
So with the confidence that I have, sir, with the skill sets that I have, like the confidence, the focus, the discipline, the communication, is what was instrumental in making me who I am and achieve and shape me that I am today, sir.
Very, very nice. Fascinating.
Thank you, sir.
देन यू स्टार्टेड टिचींग यू नो आनी तुवें तुजी एक अकॅडमी काडली सो ते हे सगळो प्रोसेस परत कसो जालो तुका दिसलें हें सगळें तुजे कडेन जी पळय कला आसा या आर्ट आसा हे नवे जनरेशना कडेन पावची
ऑफकोर्स कित्याक आमी पळयता न्हू जेन्ना I went on stage, the skill set that I have transformed and made me achieve what I am today, sir. I was passionate to reach it out to more children and to more students in Goa because I want them also to succeed in life. And so with that, I started my first dance school in Don Bosco, sir. Father Evan, who's still the principal now, said, Cecil, you encourage boys to dance.
Very nice.
From there, Green Rosary School, Donna Paula, which is also Our Lady of Rosary School, that principal said, let's do it for the girls. And the third school was Our Lady of Help in Raibandar, which is a co-ed school. And all for little like poor margin of children, we started with them, sir. So seeing these things, all the children dancing together, I realized I was catering to 2,000 children, sir, in just those 3 institutions that I was teaching.
Nice.
And realized that after training these children, especially the boys, sir, you know how boys is difficult to dance. So the boys
this
became...
was their extracurricular activity?
It is
or
part
in the
of
class?
a subject, sir.
Oh,
Dance.
Nice,
We introduced
nice.
dance as a subject.
Good,
Last 10 years, sir, I've been teaching there.
Good.
So after seeing the boys practice this, sir, we realized that regular practices help them to be bold, build their confidence level, and this impact I wanted to show to reach out to more children. How can I do that, sir? And because when you get appreciation and when the principal appreciates that the work that you're doing, the teachers appreciate, means I am doing something good. So how can I reach masses? It's when I reached out to Encore, the folks of Encore, and I said, let's co-found Encore Academy of Performing Arts in Goa.
So what is this Encore?
So because, why, sir? Because we are driven with a mission to impact a lot of lives of the children, sir. And our goal is also right now to reach 100,000 students. That is 1 lakh students, sir, in Goa. And I'm proud to say today we are reaching 20,000 students. So coming back to what is Encore all about, sir? We are, actually it's a platform to rejuvenate performing artists and art in India. It was founded in 2018, sir. And after finding out how you can make an ecosystem in performing arts was very important. And the same way doing divisions in it. That is Encore Theatre, Encore Circle, Encore Production,
everything,
Encore
arts.
Talent, companies, etc., etc.
Okay.
So in 2022, we brought it to Goa and launched the Encore Academy of Performing Arts here.
So you are doing all these activities through Encore?
Through Encore itself, sir.
Okay. So what are the actual things you do?
So the main thing that we do in school, sir, we teach 5 elements of performing arts. That is theatre, dance, spoken words, music, as well as magic. So when you say magic, sir, children love magic. And when children love a subject, they learn better. So we said in Goa, why don't we start dance? Because dance is my forte. Let's start dance in Goa. And let's bring in the children together, which is very important, sir. And having the children come together and, seeing them do well, that's how we started, bringing in workshops. We started bringing in programs in school. We started teaching in schools as a subject. Plus, we started having evening classes. Plus, we started having summer camp. 6 different cities all over Goa, sir. And
Very
also,
nice.
we as an Encore team, we end up performing on stage. So, we also
Very
make
nice.
sure that we are together. And we are the only school, sir, and only academy that has reached to 80 schools in Goa and done free workshops.
Great.
And
Really
at
great.
present date, sir, we are doing
80
30.
means all over Goa?
All over Goa, 80 schools. So right from remote villages, we went where
very
children just
nice.
looked at us, hey, English songs, dance, kite म्हणून.
So
sir.
गोंयच्या गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांत, remote area, what was the response?
So they were stunned.
They are very much, I have seen people.
They are all into performing
Yeah,
arts, sir.
exactly.
They are culturally driven.
Exactly.
And
Goa,
when
we
we
have
went
this
there-
music and dance in
Yes,
our
sir.
blood,
And to see and that's what we need to give this exposure, sir, for the
Exactly.
children.
So
We
तूं
need
म्हाका
that.
सांग म्हजो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी तूं आतां तांकां शिकयता तूं तातूंत भितर एक बदल कितें पळयता भुरग्यां भितर
So when you say badal, sir, we as Encore know we are transforming life, sir. And how we are encoring life, we are instilling 2 things. One is skill and one is values. So when I
Exactly.
talk about focus of skills, sir, we are helping the children to build their confidence, their focus level, their communication and discipline.
Yes.
And with all the skills together, we build up values. Now how these values are in inclusivity, openness, creativity, positivity, and authenticity.
Nice.
And
Very
sir,
nice.
bringing all this together, sir, we can help succeed the child in their future. I'll give you an example. जायते example has but एक example देता. एक doctor से चेडू from senior KG in Margam school.
Yeah.
So when we started dance education program, she was very shy. She was not dancing. She was running in the classroom and sitting down. So my two instructors, Alosha and Sherwin, noticed this. So Alosha went and inquired with the teacher why she's not dancing. Na teka like na dance करपाक. Teka music येयल्यार न्हू ते कानान हात धरता आनी बोबाड मारता म्हाका नाका बंद कर म्हणून. And never interactive with her peers in the class. So Alosha in the course of time went on meeting her every class that she had, built up friendship, and slowly sir, got her onto the dance where all the children dance. Slowly she started moving. So by the time it was mid-level of us teaching of the academic year, she performed on stage with her group of members. Sir. After that, she did a solo dance. So this is what we're saying, sir, that dancing can open up and have children like succeed.
भुरग्यांक डान्स किंवा परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स शिकयतकीर तांच्या एकूण व्यक्तिमत्वान भितर बदल जाता तांचो एकूण कॅरेक्टर तांचो वे ऑफ लायफ तांचे स्टडीज.
Of course, sir, because everything is connected. Because when you have confidence, sir, like I told you, if you build your confidence of your child, she can succeed or he can succeed in any field.
Yes.
Like for me, dance, sports was very important. So today where I am, you all have seen me. Everyone says, "Arey Cecille, tu bore uloita." I used to be once upon a time a very shy girl. But performing arts and getting up on stage, and if you have good teachers who can accompany you and train you, like I tend to absorb all positivity, sir, from people, and I put that in myself. And that's why today we go out and we teach a lot of children, sir.
तूं ह्या भुरग्यांचो फ्युचर कसो पळयता? तूं तुजे डान्स अकादेमी आसा ती काम करता, तुमी स्कुलांनी वतात, गव्हर्मेंट मस्ट बी हॅविंग सम कायंड ऑफ पॉलिसी टू प्रमोट परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स, आनी तांचे टीचर आसात, आर्ट टीचर आसात, तांचे ड्रामा टिचर्स आसात. सो गोंयाक भितर फ्युचर ह्या सगळ्या करिक्युलमाचो कसो तूं पळयता?
Sir, I believe, sir, if आमचो गव्हर्मेंट जो आहा न्हू, like we are performing artists, आमकां एक opportunity मेळ्ळा जाल्यार, because I told you, we have already reached into thousands of children where we are already training them up. And this is what we want to inculcate, where you make dance as a subject. Today we are going into villages, we are going into city schools, and we are transforming lives, sir. And it's making a big impact. The vision that I had, like saying that, first we were just like around 1,000 or 2,000 students. Now today we are teaching 20,000 students, sir. And they are excelling everywhere.
की हें तूं एकलें करपाक शकना. सो तुजे कडेन ही तुजी कंपनी अकादमी तातूंत भितर कितलो स्टाफ आसा, तुमी लोकां पर्यंत कशें पावतात, कॉलेजींनी स्कुलांनी कशें तुमी धाडटात?
Sir, actually, I have a fabulous team, sir, of instructors. You also have met them. So definitely you'll vouch for us. So these are the team members, sir, who have come from different from different ways, sir. And we as a company, sir, we just have, like, I would like to talk about first my general manager, that is Anup Arolkar. Then the supervisors, managers, the junior staff instructors who are there, plus the finance department, accounts department, design department, sales, marketing, as well as social media. So we have a team, sir. We are almost 20 of us in the team. And out of this 20, we have 12 passionate instructors and dance teachers who love children, sir. One thing that we do, sir, we have training for our instructors. We make sure that there's fair and timely compensation given and full support, sir, to our instructors. Like, I'll give you an example of one of our teammates, sir. He was working in a toy factory in Valpoi. His name is Aditya. And when he came to know that we are hiring, he just decided to apply. He said, so let's try. Then he start karta performing arts. So today, he is one of the most loved instructors. He choreographs so well with the children. Children love him, and he's so passionate in teaching. And he's taking more responsibilities. And today he's a supervisor, sir. 6 months back, he bought a car.
Wow, good.
So you can see our work, sir, is like, there's always joy and happiness in whatever we do, sir.
I have a friend in Bombay. His name is Dr. Natkarni, He's a psychologist. He goes to various companies and give them lectures. He trains them. So why not your company also is giving training to companies in Goa? Most of the industrial sector.
We are doing that, sir. So as a skill set, we when there are a lot of groups that come down,
Yeah.
So we do performing arts. We teach them dance etiquette. Very important, sir. Today, if you
Exactly.
see children, they don't know dance etiquette. So we teach dance etiquette, we teach coordination, we teach movement, we teach fitness. So everything connected with dance helps because dance and movement is very important in today's life, sir.
एक्झॅक्टली सो म्हजो निमाणो क्वेश्चन तोच सगळ्यांक हांवें तुका स्कुलाचे बद्दल विचारलें स्कूल चिल्ड्रन यूथ कंपनीज वेरियस डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ द कंपनीज तूं जाणटेल्यांक शिकयता म्हणजे सारक्या कारण आतां म्हाका हांव ह्या एजीर पावतकीर म्हाका दिसलें की अरे डान्स शिकपा जाय आशिल्लो
Sir, you're not Zanto. You have a very young heart, sir, because I've seen you dance and move with me, so I know, sir, you're very young. And sir, we as a company, sir, we teach actually a different range of individuals, right from Dr. Burgi Jeha, toddlers, children, youth, adults, senior citizens, even special children, sir. We make sure that dance is a medium where everyone enjoys, and movement is very important for the body.
Exactly.
Like I'll give you a few examples if you have time. I'll give you a few. Like when we had our show, we were honored, sir, to teach 20 senior citizens, sir, to perform on stage.
Senior citizens of what age?
My older student was 84-year-old, sir.
Oh.
84. Mr. Nabar, if you're watching, Mr. Nabar, definitely.
He must be very fit to dance.
When he came, he's like, okay, dance class. He just came for the first day. He was amazed and transformed after that. And their show was so good that when I asked him, sir, please give feedback so that you can motivate the youngsters and all. He said, my life is changed and I'm so happy.
Wow,
this
great.
young girl that is talking about me, this young girl with her voice and her movements and her command, my body which was not moving also started moving.
Good.
And he said, I've fallen in love with her.
Good.
Baila fatlan. आणि म्हाका fallen in love म्हणून सांगला. So Mr. Nabar, I still love you. I love you. And also,
this is really
and
good.
Also, sir, with this platform, we end up, giving opportunities for children who don't have an opportunity to dance on a big stage.
Yes.
Like we had our latest show on 13th of May at Kalas.
Yes.
So we gave opportunities to a small group from Valpoi. Come to Panjim City.
Beautiful.
Dance on stage.
Good.
Then we had like our, an NGO group that came in and performed from Chimbel. That is one part of it. And then there was an acrobatic group from Vasco came and performed. But one thing I would like to stress about is a Down syndrome child who was part of our team.
Okay.
Young girl, 18-year-old Down syndrome who loves to dance. And what we're saying is everyone should dance together. No special classes for them.
Yes.
Because then they understand and relate. So what happened? So when they were dancing, Hannah, though she practiced her choreography, she was like kind of forgetting some steps. So this other boy, Archit, came in front of her, sir, and helped her on stage during the dance performance so that she has a focus whilst dancing. And so the presence of mind that boy has, this is what we teach in our dance.
So tell me, anybody can
Teamwork.
dance?
Anyone can dance. So anyone.
It doesn't require a very elastic body.
No, sir. If you have a thought process saying that you want to move your body and you want to feel young, you want to stay young, you want to stay fit, you want to be
young.
happy.
Nice, very
because
nice,
today,
yes.
sir, if you go to see, there's so much of stress in the world.
Exactly.
We are all stressed. We
Exactly.
step outside our road,
Exactly.
there is stress.
Exactly.
Panji to dance, problem can happen.
Exactly.
You step outside, there is stress. So how do we de-stress, sir? By staying happy, by having good people around us, by having movement.
Yes.
And that is important, sir. And I think so today that we are doing something special on way happiness through dance. So आमच्या ऑडियन्साक कितें करया?
करून तूं म्हाका म्हजे कडल्यान करून घेवंक शकता पळय हांव पयर कसो तरी नाचलां हांव जाणा पूण जातलें
Of course, sir. Why not?
Why just
Okay,
try?
they say no. I'm sure with Sir Raju dancing, you will all get inspired and you all also will start dancing at home. We'll show you a few steps. So since Sanjao is coming close,
Yes.
as you said,
Yes.
Sanjao is coming close. Can we teach the audience few steps and teach you also, sir?
Of course.
And
I'm ready.
Natya Magir?
I'm ready.
Okay, sir. Okay, get ready. So everyone, it's Sanjao on the 24th of June. So with Sir and along with all of you all, please leave your chairs and move and dance with us. Sir, are you ready?
Yes.
We'll teach the audience 4-5 steps and then we'll dance on music.
Yes.
So everyone, hands on your hips. So what I want you to do is move your left leg first.
Yes.
And audience who are watching us, move your right leg. Okay?
Yeah.
So 5, 6, 7, go. Side together, side together, side together, side together. So we'll do a little bit faster.
Yes.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So very good. You have a lovely smile also.
Oh, great.
Now let's go to the second step. From the second step, so I want you to take your left leg and kick out. All right? Audience who are watching, take your right leg and kick out. So, sorry, we'll take out our right leg and you will take out your left leg. All right? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. So, enjoying? So far, so good?
Yes, of course.
Sir is very fit. All right, the next step. So, I want you to take your right leg in front. So, audience, please take your left leg. Clap. Clap. And get your hands back on your hip. All right, so we'll do this twice. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now, sir, we'll shift on the other side. Let's take our left leg. Audience, please take your right leg.
Okay.
From here, we'll go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So, easy?
Yeah.
Okay. From here, we'll do a clap step from down.
Okay.
So, we'll clap down, taking our right leg, clap down and clap up, clap down, clap up. And now from here, sir, take your elbow. Since we are taking our right side, audience, if you are watching, take your left side, all right? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, easy?
Okay.
Okay. Now, from here, we'll do the next step. So, the next step which we'll do, the one where we're taking in front, the last step.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And if you have somebody at home, face your partner. Sir, face.
Okay.
Turn, sir. Clap. Clap. Together. Hands back. Now, how we'll do it with movement. Okay.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and pose, sir. Pose. All right. Okay. Now, the audience, do you want to see us dance, sir and me together? All right. So, let's show them.
Yes.
But, sir, something is missing. Costume. Costume kariya?
Yes.
Okay. Abracadabra. Are sir?
Okay.
Best this time.
Janot.
All right. So, audience, sir, are you ready?
Ready.
All right. 5, 6, 7, go.
Viva, 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 viva Sao Joao. Viva, 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 Encore sto global. Viva, 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 umeking na toya tuania. Viva, 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 viva muron, viva Sao Joao.
इंडियाच्या मापार तोंडा केती सोबीत सुंदर गोवा आमचो गांव गोंयान सगळीं सांगा तांची येता हिंदू मुस्लीम आनी क्रिस्तांव
सांगातान फेस्ता पोरबो गाजोयता गोंयच्याय धर्माच्यो जाव गांवचे जावूं येजमा व्हड्या येता बांयचें उदक न्हांवून कोत्ता Sao Joao.
आयचो दीस खोशेल मनोवया फुडें कितें जाता तें जावं मुजग वाजता कांतारां करूं नाचोया तूं आनी हांव एकवटान दिसायचो सारून वयतोया गोंयचें नांव आयचो दीस उमेदीन बरो म्हणोया विवा विवा Sao Joao. Viva Sao Joao! Oh, Jackie! Oh, Gomantak!
गोंयच्या मापार तोंडाक येती सोबीत सुंदर गोवा आमचो